Welcome back, guys. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we are in the home. In this video, we'll be showcasing the Shark Detect Pro Cordless Stick HEPA filter. This powerhouse combines cutting-edge technology with unrivaled convenience, revolutionizing the way you clean your home. Say goodbye to cords and low to hassle-free power cleaning. Today, join us as we dive into the exceptional features and performance of this innovative cleaning companion. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the home, or alternatively, subscribe to this channel for regular updates. First, let's get into its form and appearance. The weight and feel of the handle, which is estimated at 6 pounds, were the initial advantages we noticed. This helps us walk around with it on the palm of our hands without using extra strength. Also on exhibit is a brand new floor head that is meant in part to reduce the weight of the vacuum, make it largely easier to lift it up when you're trying to reach elevated nooks and crannies. When in use, the swivel is responsive and appears to be balanced, making it one of the most user-friendly cordless stick vacuums. Uniquely bridging the gap between a soft roller and a standard roller, the head design is a functional novelty where large waste can be readily swept through the extra tall entrance gate. Getting into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about its cleaning performance. When transitioning from carpets to hard flooring, there's no need for nozzle changes. The Quad Clean multi-surface brush roll handles 4 cleaning tasks seamlessly. Fine dust, pet hair, larger debris, and dust around edges. Throughout our rigorous testing, the Shark Detect Pro demonstrated exceptional cleaning prowess. It efficiently captured every bit of debris in the forward pass, and on return, it effortlessly gathered the remaining dirt and particles. Even on hardwood floors, it adeptly suctioned up pet dander, rice, cereal, salt, and sugar. What's even more impressive is how what's vacuumed up stays securely contained, thanks to Shark's Total Seal HEPA filtration technology, which traps an impressive 99.9% of dust and allergens. This feature holds significant weight, especially when you consider its price point. In our sealed system test, smoke filled the debris chamber, but it couldn't escape the bin, showcasing the effectiveness of this technology. Additionally, Shark's anti-hair tangle technology, with its ingenious tiny combs actively removing hair from the roller during operation, is integrated into the device. It performed admirably in our tests, even with hair samples of varying lengths from 7 inches to 14 inches. This level of performance truly sets the Shark Detect Pro apart. Moving on when it comes to detection, being the only one we've seen that uses both a particle counter and a floor-type detecting mechanism, the Shark Detect Pro is unique. Shark also features inbuilt sensors on both sides of the floor head to detect closeness to walls, which is a first in our knowledge for a system that can change both suction and brush speed. The vacuum increases its suction force when it's near a wall, improving edge cleaning. Up next is noise level. The Shark Cordless Detect Pro is remarkably quiet compared to other devices out there, including older generations of Shark vacuums. When we first switched it on, we were quite surprised. When you first open it, it might wake up your fur babies from a nap. However, it'll stay as a quiet white noise throughout your cleaning session, and it won't disrupt your housemate's focus. As for its ease of use and storage, it's equipped with LED rings that light up when sensors find a lot of trash, changing colors as the area is cleaned. The mode selection and current battery levels are also shown. To conveniently keep your vacuum in your house, you can simply attach the hand vacuum to the included wand clip. It took less than 5 minutes to put the base station together and attach the vacuum. The vacuum is already put together. All that you need to do is attach the necessary accessories. Before using the vacuum for the first time, we do advise letting it completely charge. The Shark Detect Pro scored extremely well for maneuverability. Its modest weight and balanced weight allow for a variety of moves. We never felt constrained when using the vacuum throughout the tests. This model performed admirably in our mobility testing, being able to lay completely flat and turn with great precision. However, one limitation to be aware of is its lightweight construction, which results in a slightly smaller dust bin capacity of about 330 milliliters. While this is slightly below average, it is in line with other Shark cordless stick vacuums with similar performance. All in all, the Shark Detect Pro truly stands out as a cordless handheld vacuum, offering outstanding performance while keeping maintenance to a minimum. It's the ideal choice for everyday cleaning, boasting even weight distribution, impressive mobility, auto-detect power settings, and the added convenience of a self-emptying base station. The only minor downside comes in its dustbin capacity, which may require more frequent emptying at the base station due to its compact size. However, for those prioritizing usability, it remains an excellent and reliable option. And there you have it, folks. Everything you need to know about the Shark Detect Pro cordless stick HEPA filter. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our homes great. We look forward to seeing you at TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.